Close call.
Yep, Scotty was right. That tree wasn't gonna last long.
We should have listened to you, Scotty. Look at this storm. Pacific Northwest is having a huge storm, and our giveaway truck was looking a little vulnerable and very lucky.
We got lucky, there's a canopy on it still.
That was close to hitting the cab, which would not good at all.
That would have been terrible. Luckily, cab took the hit.
Oh my goodness.
Canopy.
-1 canopy.
Guess that's not part of the giveaway anymore.
Nope, you don't want the canopy?
Nah.
Shoved it over a little bit. Look at that. Broke it right off. And that massive, well, how much rain have we had? We had so much rain lately. Big record numbers of rain and wind. Little crack there.
Sad thing, the windows are still in it. I guess I haven't got to pick glass up down here.
You can see the break in the top. Well, good thing we got lucky. We don't want the cab hit on this thing because
that's the most important part.
It's the most important part. And then we have new glass that's going on the side. We have new fenders for it. So when we picked this truck out, it actually picked us out because it's so perfect. The hood, yes, it's clean and straight. The grill, we have a new grill. The bumper won't matter. We're making a bumper. We have fiberglass fender, so that comes off. This door and cab, this is gonna clean up all right. Wow, cab is still good. This thing's gonna polish up nicely. The hood, a little Bondo, but it's gonna look good. Until then, we're gonna get this tree off of here. This is going to get the frame shortened this week or next week. It is almost Christmas time. And so this is what we're up against today is we have to get the canopy off. We're gonna get rid of it, get rid of this tree off the side of it, and start working on the frame. We have lots of exciting news. Got some sponsorships that came in. Arc Captain Welding gave us a welder, so we're gonna have a welder now. Long story, but I had to get rid of a lot of my equipment over the last year due to some let's not get into it, but we're here, the truck's here, we have the capabilities of getting all this stuff done. Anyways, stay tuned. We'll get some footage of us pulling this tree off, getting the canopy off this thing. Hang in there.
That might be doing something.
All right, I think we're gonna try to get hurt here and shove this thing off here.
I don't want to. This little branch is holding the big branch up.
Shove it off of there?
I don't.
Oh, it's gonna move, dude. Oh, here it goes.
We doing it?
It's gonna move.
Alright. I
Huh?
want a long poking stick.
That's once it wanted to move. What if I get on top and push it? What? Get somewhere safe?
Well, no, get where you were feeling safe down on the side, or think it'll be good up there.
I don't know. I don't know if this canopy's gonna hold up. Oh, it's all these branches are just they're bent and they're like sprung. That's what's holding it up. It's not this thing. This canopy is what's scary. There it goes. It's all these. They cut these. So I get it off. Big, dude. I think see these branches are bent like this.
The front end's coming off the ground. Did you survive?
Looks like it.
Alright, I got some firewood now.
Lots of firewood. Oh goodness.
Almost tragedy.
You're gonna have to cut that. That one's dead. It looks like it.
Well, this is the top half of that.
Oh man, that's a heavy piece.
Branch, that was the top half of the tree.
Oh, it snapped it. All right, we're gonna get this canopy off of here. Yeah, we got the canopy off.
Starting to look like a truck.
I already pulled that side off, but this thing's been sitting for 20 years, right?
Something like that.
20 years it's been sitting with that canopy. I don't know how long the canopy was on it, but...
She was packing some stuff.
Oh, some wiring. Probably went to the canopy. Somebody actually had that wired up.
Brake light for safety.
The bed is pretty smoked.
But we're losing this part of it.
I gotta section it, so we'll see what happens. This is the last of our worries, but we need to get the bed off and just get the frame notched. Might have to fab up a new bed of some sort, but or find a junker bed, a donor bed from a junkyard, just to get the bottom replaced. Who knows? Got some work to do.